3 Steps for Goal Setting and Achieving Success. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the 3 steps for goal setting and achieving success. Setting goals is an essential part of achieving success in both your personal and professional life. Step number 1, define your goals. The first step in goal setting is defining what you want to achieve. Your goals should be specific, measurable, and attainable. This means that you should clearly define what you want to accomplish and set a deadline for when you want to achieve it. Step number 2, create an action plan. Once you have defined your goals, it's time to create an action plan. Your action plan should outline the steps that you need to take to achieve your goals. This plan should be broken down into manageable and achievable tasks that you can work on each day. Your action plan should also include a timeline for each task so that you can stay on track and motivated. Step number 3, stay committed and accountable. The final step in goal setting is to stay committed and accountable to yourself. This means that you need to be disciplined and focused on your goals and take ownership of your progress. One way to do this is by tracking your progress regularly and celebrating your successes along the way. With these key ingredients, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thanks for watching.